Akiaria kigomano-ini kiria kirarongoreirie guthundurwo kwa njira ona mitaratara ingi ya gutwithania ndugamano ona maciira, minista wa utamburukia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa ndekithitie uiguano kwaraniria ona gutafania cikaro cia guthikaniriria ria maciira megutwithanio.
I believe that with the requisite knowledge, aggrieved parties will not have to rush to courts without exploring other alternatives available to their concerns.
Issues zingine hazina haja kwenda kotini. Ni kupoteza muda, kupoteza pesa.
Wamalwa no ugite besha iri huthikaga kurugamira maciira maya ni nyingi muno no ihote gukorwo igiteithia muingi na maundu mangi ma kumaguna kuria ciira umwe huthiraga makiria ma ciringi milioni 20.
Most of these disputes have found their way to the courts as first option without exploring other alternatives to resolve them. In the process, a lot of resources in terms of money, time and energy have been spent through court cases, while the resultant acrimony between the warring parties has made it difficult to effectively execute duties and responsibilities of the various actors in the dispute.
Akigereka gicunjĩ kĩa 159 igĩrĩ gĩa gatiba ya bũrũri kĩrĩa kĩendekithĩtie kwaraniria kuhanĩra ũndũmwe na njĩra cia kĩndũire cia gũtuithania ndugamano. Eugene akauga he bata thirikari cia kaunti ihimbirie njĩra icio.
And traditional dispute resolution mechanisms, while Article 189(4) provides for the enactment of procedures for settling intergovernmental disputes through negotiations, mediation, and arbitration. This requirement is further emphasized in the Intergovernmental Relations Act of 2012, which prescribes the manner in which intergovernmental disputes are to be resolved.
Muthiano eranĩire nĩ akũrutithania wĩra na rũhonge rwa watho, bunge, rũhonge rwa ũtongoria wa ũndũmwe na thirikari cia kaunti gũtigĩrĩra wĩra wake ta minista ndũnagĩa maroro. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV nĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.